Hi guys, welcome back with the second regular Sudoku in today's newspaper of a Friday. Yes, it's still Friday, January 2022, and I've told you we have here two regular Sudokus, Sudoku Light and a Sudoku Heavy. And in today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. I believe 6 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve this later. And today is the first Friday of the month, so it's a speed test. We have a speed test January, and before I start, this Sudoku Heavy will be number 3945. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. 2 stars. If you compare with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars in the additional, normally 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, speed test, no talking, so let's get started. Yes, 1 minute and 30. 333, 33, 33, 33, 6666 there. Okay, 666. Oh, yeah. The 9, 8, and the 1. 8 and the 1. We have a 1 here, yes. 9, 5, and the 7. 5, 7, let me mark. 7, 7, 7, 7. Yeah. 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. 4, 4, 4. 8. 8, 8. I need an 8 here, so this should be the 8. 7 and a 5. 1, 1. 7 and a 5. Okay. 6, 1. 1. Okay, so 7 and the 7 and 2. 2, 7. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, okay. 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 2. 8, 8, 8. 7. Oh, 7. We can continue with the 7. 7. 7. 7. Oh, 8. Okay. 8, 8, 8, 8. 8, 8. Okay. Come on. 5, 5. Okay. Here I need a 5. Here I need a 5. 5. 5, 5. Okay. 8, 8, 8. Okay. 8. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 9. 9 and a 4. 7, 6, and a 5. Come on. 7. Here should be the 7. So this should be at 5. 7, 6, 4, and 4 and a 5. Okay. 4, 4, 4, 4. two numbers, 1, 9 and 8, no, 9 and 3, 9 and 3, 9, 9, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, so here should be the 3, 3, 3, okay, almost, 3 and 9, 7, come on, 7, oh, 5 we have here, so this should be 7, 5, 7, 5, 5, 5, 5, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, here should be the 7, 5, 5, 5, okay, one box left for the number 4, 7, 6, and 8. 4, 4. How about the 3 and 2 should be here. 2, 2. Yeah. Come on. Here. 4, 9. 9 should be here. And 2 is missing. 2. Should be the 4 also. 6. And the 2. Here cannot be a 2. There cannot be the 2. So this should be the 2. Okay, 2. 2. This should be the 2. 2. 3 and a 9. 3. This box should be the 4. This should be the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 and a 9. 4 and the 6. Come on. 7, 6. 6, 4. 4, 9. One box 6. 8, 7 and 8, 7 and 8, 7 and a 6, 8, 7, 6, 6. Come on. 8, 9, 8, 4, 6 and the 7, 6, 8 and 7. Finish. 8 minutes. Minus 1.5 minutes. 6 minutes. Yes. I love it. Let me check if this is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Correct. All right. So 8.5 minutes minus 1.5 minutes. Well, I'm pleased with the time and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the extra Sudokus. Yeah, the extra Sudokus in the additional, we have 6 of them. Half of them I will solve. So 3, Sudokus are left, and I will do this in the evening. So see you later on. Bye bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Friday. Otherwise, we will see you tomorrow. Yes, weekend. See you then. Bye bye for now.